Hi my curly girls. So this will be my first voiceover that I'm actually doing for you guys. So hopefully this helps. Anyway, the part that I'm doing now is completely optional. So I started working in sections. As you can see, my hair was dry here, so I just gave it a little wet down again. Always work with wet hair. Okay, now I detangle my hair. This is the brush that I use. Detangle from the bottom up. Do not break those ends, baby girls. As I am leaving conditioner, you can see I just use a little product. Somehow my hair feels dragged down if I put down too much product. So up next, I'll be using my coconut curling cream that I'll be raking through my hair. So I started working in sections using my Denman brush. This is the technique that I've been using forever. So the exact same things in front, it's just I'll be finger coiling the problematic areas, the ones that need a little bit of helping, you know. I'm always scrunching, always. While my hair is still wet, I'll always be scrunching. So I use a tiny bit of Eco olive oil styling gel and I scrunch that in nice and slow, not to damage those curls that I just created. And diffuse for about 30 to an hour. So let's do this. Bam! Yay! So let me know down in the comments if this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!